Hello there, my friends. It's daylight savings time. You know what that means. Reset all the clocks. All right, so here's what we do on this CamPark backup camera mirror slash combo. So stop the video, okay, and then go to settings right here, and then you can scroll down by grabbing this, scrolling down. I'll try it with my other hand. All right, so that didn't work. So go to the bottom and push up. And then at the very end, let's see here, time and date stamp. There it is, date and time. Click, and then just go okay, 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 and up one, and okay. All right, and okay, and okay, and then okay. And then you're done. And then hit this back button, and now you've changed the time. All right, I hope that helps you. If it did, smash like. Have a great day. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. See if you can do something nice for somebody today without getting caught.